What if I told you right now, today, you might already be a Canadian citizen and no one ever told you? Not you could apply, not you might be qualified after years of paperwork. I mean, you literally woke up this morning as a Canadian citizen and you didn't know it. On December 15, 2025, Canada passed a law called BC3. We are talking about millions of people in the US, UK, and beyond who have a Canadian parent, grandparent, or even grand-grandparent, and now they are Canadian citizens by law. I am Mitra, a licensed immigration consultant, and today I'll break down what exactly Bill C3 is, who it affects, and most importantly, how it applies to you or someone in your family. For 15 years, Canada had a strict first-generation limit, meaning that if you and your parent were born outside Canada, you were out of luck to be a Canadian citizen. This is what Bill C3 is trying to fix. Bill C3 is designed to expand eligibility beyond the first-generation limit. It allows something called citizenship by descent. This means if you were born before December 15, 2025, basically anyone watching this video, and you have a Canadian ancestor in your family tree, there is a very real chance that you're already a Canadian citizen. Right now, today. I want to be specific here. The estimate is now millions of people, particularly from the US and United Kingdom, now can claim Canadian citizenship by descent. Why US and UK? Think about history. US and Canada shared 100 years of cross-border migration. Hundreds of thousands of Canadians crossed the borders for work, married Americans, and had family there. Many of their descendants have no idea they have a grandmother born in Quebec or a grandfather from Nova Scotia. And the UK. Canada was part of British Empire. Many British families have Canadian branches, but they lost connection through generation. So question for you, do you have a parent, grandparent, or great-grandparent who was born in Canada? If the answer is yes, or even maybe I'm not sure, the rest of this video is for you. Let's break down exactly how it works. Under Bill C3, citizenship can pass down through multiple generations born outside Canada. So let's walk through the two most common scenarios. Scenario A. You were born outside Canada, but your father born in Canada, so you are a Canadian citizen. You just need to apply for a citizenship certificate. This is straightforward. Scenario B. You and your father born outside Canada, but your grandparent born in Canada. This is where Bill C3 come into effect. Now you can claim Canadian citizenship by descent if you were born before December 15, 2025. Now I know what some of you are thinking. What if my great-great-grandparent was born in Canada? What if the Canadian in my family was for 3 generations back? The answer is yes. You can still claim Canadian citizenship as long as you can prove it. This gets complex quickly. In next video, I'll explain the critical rule for the next generation. Stay tuned.